Hey guys, Nick, I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand. I was just checking out this fancy mall, the Central Embassy. A lot of high-end stuff, and now I'm just gonna take a walk down the avenue and go back to where I'm staying around, close to like Nana Plaza and all of that stuff. So let's see what a walk around here looks like on a Saturday afternoon around 1:30. So one thing you notice about Bangkok is it is very big, and so you can't really just walk around from here to there or whatever. They do have the BTS, the train system, which could be very helpful, but traffic here is crazy, especially during regular daytime hours. It's hot and it's humid, but it's not like unbearable or anything. It feels like maybe it's, I don't know, 86 degrees, about 30 degrees Celsius. Not sure. Also, there's a 7-Eleven on like every block, so you need some water or whatever. Ice cream, we got a lot of stuff. It's got a Porsche Cayman. Shacks along these train tracks. I know there's a place where you can eat and the train goes by. I don't know, is that around here? I'm not really sure, but I'm not doing all that. I'm only here for 2 nights, so just want to kind of look around. Burger King here sells fried chicken. Double Bangkok burger, $2.95. That's expensive. That's like $9. Wow. I think I stayed there last time I was here. 2010. Yeah. Okay. I think now I get it. I remember that gas station. I think there was like an internet cafe like right over here. That's how long ago it was. 2010. McDonald's right here. I'm curious. I gotta know what the regular McDonald's double cheeseburger or quarter pounder with cheese costs over here in American dollars. Let's take a look. Quarter pounder with cheese, 170 baht, about $5.25. Right on Sukhumvit. So I made a little pit stop at McDonald's, got a quarter pounder with cheese, about $5.25 or 170 baht, and stopped at 7-Eleven and got this really good iced coffee, large, 45 baht, about $8.50. Very good deal. And good coffee. Pretty well-known street over here. Wow. Oh, can't film the girls here. They don't want to be on film. It's one of those streets. I wonder what that means. Soapy Rotary. Oh, this is Annie's. Supposed to be a famous place. Guys, that's a little look at my neighborhood walk around here. A lot of interesting things to see and do and eat and drink, of course. If you are in the area, definitely come check it out. Hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.